Are you in your 30s, 40s, or 50s and worried AI might make you redundant? Stop worrying. You're actually in the perfect position. Here's why. You have something AI doesn't: real world experience and judgment. You've weathered workplace politics, handled difficult clients, and solved complex problems that weren't in any handbook. What's happening now isn't about replacement, it's about augmentation. The most valuable professionals will be those who understand both their industry and how to leverage AI tools effectively. Your generation bridges two worlds. You remember work before digital transformation, but you've adapted to wave after wave of technological change. That adaptability is gold. The fact is, AI needs human guidance, especially from people with your depth of expertise. Your career wisdom, combined with these new tools, makes you more valuable, not less. So instead of fearing AI, view it as the ultimate assistant that handles repetitive tasks while freeing you to focus on what humans do best: creative thinking, relationship building, and strategic decision making. Don't worry about becoming redundant. Focus on becoming enhanced.